This is my tutorial on Playposit. I'd never used it before, and I teach grades K through 8 music. So my idea was to use this YouTube link, which I was actually originally going to use, but realized that Playposit might make it more accessible for the kids. So it is a link to a listening test for different music periods. So the students will listen to the example and they'll try to decide if it's from the Renaissance era or the classical era and so forth. So what I did, I created, well, first of all, I went over here to folders, classes, and created my general music classes so I could assign the lesson to those classes. And this is the one that I made, but I will go through and show how it was done. So I clicked add new bulb. Well, I'll go through this really quickly. Oh my goodness. Okay. So what I did is I took an existing video that I wanted to use and I did input URL. So when I clicked YouTube, it gave me the option to click it and then search YouTube for several different videos. So if I wanted to look for musical eras and search that, it would give me different video suggestions, but I had one I already wanted to use. So let's see, I think I go back here, let's see, click cancel. Let me make sure I do this correctly. Okay, add video. I'm gonna click input URL because I already have the link that I want to use. So I copied and pasted. I'm not sure if that worked correctly. Let's see. Oh, whoops. I'll have to go back in. Sorry. So I had copied the wrong link, excuse me. But I can just copy and paste that link into Playposit. So here's my link. I'm going to copy and paste. And okay. I'm going to click done. I haven't gotten into all the little details, but this is just my overview of my first time using it. And then I let the video play to the point where it played through the first example. So in the beginning, it gives them all the music periods that they could choose from: medieval, Renaissance, Baroque, classical, romantic, modern. And what I did was I let it play through number 1. So here's my example. And so I would just stop it at the end of this example. I'm just going to pause it. And I'm going to click add an interaction at this point in the video. And I decided to just do multiple choice for this one. And so my question is just going to be, which music period do you think this is from? And so I'm going to add medieval. And I would probably put the years of those periods, but I'm just doing this as a quick example. Classical, Baroque, romantic, whoops, and modern. And my correct answer is classical, so I'm going to check mark that one and then click done. So it'll automatically grade that for me. And so I would do that through each question, and at the end it actually tells the students which one is which and what the piece is and who the composer is. And then at the end what I did was I just made a free response question or short answer. Let's see, free response. And I just would say, which music period did you enjoy the most? So they can give their opinion on that last question. And then I believe I would go to review. And if I have everything like I like it, I would save and exit. And then from there, I can assign those to my classes. Oops. I think I can just select it over here. Let's see, make sure I'm doing this right. Oops, didn't need to do that. Let's see. I'd already assigned it over here to my bulbs. Let's see. Make sure I know how to assign it to the course because I've already done it. Let's see. Data export. So close. Oh, okay. So over here. Brain lapse. So I click these three dots over here to my menu, and then I would click assign. And then I could assign it to the course on the correct date. And once I do that, I can get a link to the Playposit. I hope that answers all the questions for the tutorial. This is my first time, so I'm still trying to figure out everything, but the pre-made bulbs are also pretty cool. I watched one about an intro to politics and government, so these you can actually copy over to your own course. So you can click copy and edit, or you can copy it over to your own course. So I hope that is informative enough. So yeah, thanks for joining.